Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you my fat quarter bundle that I received from my January pre-cuts club through the Fat Quarter shop. Now the pre-cuts club is a monthly subscription where each month you will receive the pre-cut of your choice that you choose, and they have everything from mini charm squares all the way up to fat quarters. I chose to receive fat quarters, and the fat quarters that I chose were from Modern Prints. So each month I will receive 12 fat quarters in my fat quarter bundle from a contemporary design. And I will leave a link down below in the description box that'll take you to the Fat Quarters website to give you all the information regarding the pre-cuts club. Now for this month, the fat quarter bundle that I received is titled Driftless, and it is from Anagram with Robert Kaufman fabric. So if you are interested in seeing the fat quarter bundle, the prints that I received for this month, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this fabric, the prints, they feel like some sort of linen print. The fabric is not cotton. It feels a little bit heavier and a little more dense, almost like it's a light linen fabric. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so those are the 12 prints that I received in my fat quarter bundle this month. Now these prints, the colors for this line are not as bright as the fabrics that I would normally receive in my modern fat quarter bundle. So this will be good, especially if you're not into the bold or bright colors, or if you wanted to make something for a gentleman. I think these colors would be great for those type of projects. So comment down below what you think of this month's fat quarter bundle. Do you use or like Robert Kaufman fabric or designs, and have you ever used or ordered anything from Anagram? I hope you guys enjoyed this month's fat quarter bundle, and until next time, happy quilting.